I'm Dr. R. Devi, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Business Administration, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, let us see the topics that are covered: advertising copy, elements and its types, and advertisement message development. First, we will see what is an advertising copy. It is defined as written or spoken material in it, including headlines, main body, subheads, pictures, caption, slogans, information about brand name, trademarks, prices, coupons, claims, advertisers' name, address, logo, phone number, website, etc. Now we'll see about the elements of advertising copy. The elements include headline. The headline is a key element in print advertising. It conveys the main message so that people get the point of the advertisement that is made for. Subheads. Subheads are usually smaller than the main headline but larger than the body copy. They may appear above or below the main headlines or within the body copy. Next to the headline, captions have the second highest readership. Illustrations. Illustration is any number of different drawings, sketches, diagrams, figures, photographs, or other representations that are a visual component of an advertisement. Advertising are the finest combination of the copy and illustration. It attracts attention, communicate an idea or image of advertising message. Slogans, logo types and signature. A slogan may refer, for instance, to the age of the advertiser's firm, meant for inclusion in every advertisement. A symbol of the company name, seal, or trademark is called logotype and is a typical feature of most advertisement. It is also referred to as signature, indicating identification of the company or the brand. Body copy. The body copy is the text of the advertisement and its primary role is to maintain the interest of the reader. It develops the sales message, states the argument, summarizes the proof, and provides explanation. These are the elements of the advertising copy that should be followed while preparing the advertisement. Now, we will see about the types of an advertising copy. The first is attention value. It is the copy that attracts the attention of the people. People are generally busy and they go through several advertisements quickly. It becomes inevitable for the advertiser to make the advertisement attractive. The second is suggestive value copy. The advertisement should suggest the advantages of buying a particular product. The next is memorizing value. The advertisement should have lasting impression on the reader's mind. But even the first advertisement should be capable of making the reader remember the product image. For example, Horlicks gives extra energy. So this is the memorizing value of that particular product. The next is conviction value copy. The advertisement should be readily believed. The picture, drawing, or the painting should corroborate the fact. Sentimental value. It is like sentimentally attracting the customers. The advertisement should respect the sentiments and feelings of the people for whom it is meant. Next is educational value. The advertisement should be in the nature of enlightenment concerning the use and value of a product. Advertisements should be capable of introducing new habits and attracting the people towards new products. The last is action value. When the purchaser sees the well known symbol of the manufacturer, that itself satisfies him and the sales resistance, if any, is reduced. Sealed units gain this value very easily. The next topic is message development. It means the advertisers must first determine the desired audience response and then develop the advertising message to achieve that response from that targeted audience. The message that is delivered must fulfill certain conditions. First one, message must be attractive. It must be suggestive. It must be appealing or motivating. It must fulfill legal and social conditions. It also convincing. It must be memorable. It must be indicate major benefits of the product, etc. This is the process that to be followed in message development. Thank you.